house neighbors. That thing is near peaking again, and the condo's dock broke. Oh my gosh, thank goodness these lights didn't fall. Yeah, I think they're just twisted. Yeah, I think so. I think I can just retwist them. All right, so we got all of our stuff over here is good. Oh my God, the hot tub. No joke, it literally just fell off the 3rd floor. I don't think it damaged the gutter or anything. It just fell right here. No way. Wow. A little bit of damage to our new wall here and the neighbor's fence. Oh, a pumpkin. That was not my pumpkin.